Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help you resolve if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 headphones are not being detected on your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would ensure is that your wired headphones are firmly plugged in or perhaps to a different USB port. And if you're using a Bluetooth headset, I'd recommend unplugging and replugging in the Bluetooth USB plug-in. Turn it on and off if you can, and make sure your speaker settings are turned up as well. If there's a volume control option on your headset, I would recommend making sure it's turned on and turned up. So I recommend doing both of those things. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu and search for Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the item up at the top. This is File, and select Options. You want to select the View tab at the top, select Show Hidden Devices, double-click on Audio Inputs and Outputs, and then if you find your microphone device in here, right-click on it, and you want to go ahead and enable it if it's disabled for whatever reason. And if you do see it in here, go ahead and select Update Driver, and then browse your computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Get the manufacturer-specific one unless there's only a generic one available, and then select Next. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and I would suggest restarting your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this plan should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.